Hey guys, Electron man, how you doing today? Let me do this. Boom. Yep. We're going to talk about my LED lights, my Barrina 72 watt LED lights. You know, I got to thinking, I've had this shop for about 3 years, but I've had the lights up for about 18 months, 19, maybe even 20 months. Anyway, conservatively, I was doing the math and just kind of figuring it out. And I know I have at least 8,000 hours on these lights now. So I thought it'd be kind of time to come back and show you after 8,000 hours where I stand with them. And I'll give you a fair review of what we've got so far. Anyway, as you can see, all 6 of them are still functioning nicely. No problem there. I have noticed that over a period of time, I've lost a few LEDs here and there. Actually, we'll kind of go to each light and you can kind of look here. Like on this one here, I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully the camera's picking that up, but I see, looks like we've lost one LED on this 8-foot light, which that's not bad when you think about it. 8,000 hours, and I'm tickled that doesn't, you know, it doesn't affect the rest of the lights. I mean, one's not going to affect the luminous for me to see, so I can live with that. But yeah, it's lost one bulb, and it's got one kind of, I don't know if you can see that or not, kind of blinking, so it's probably getting ready to go. But 1 or 2 lights out of how many got, I don't even know. You'd have to count them. Probably several hundred. I think we're doing pretty good on that. We're going to go to number 2 light here. If you look at number 2 light here, it does not have a single bulb burned out in it. Not one LED out. Pretty awesome for 8,000 hours. Come over here to number 3. And where do we stand? And number 3's got 1, 2. Hopefully you're catching that. Like right there and right there. But it's got 2 LEDs out after 8,000 hours. I'm not complaining at all. I mean, a year and a half, I would have already probably replaced fluorescent bulbs at least once. I mean, I burn these lights, you know, 14 to 16 hours a day, every day. So just to give you an idea, these lights are going all the time, and doesn't include, like right now it's nighttime. So I'm conservatively, I'm saying 8,000 hours. It's probably a lot more. Let's go to number 4 here. Number 4, you look up and down it, and it looks like we've got 1 LED out in it. So again, not bad at all. Not bad at all. And then let's go over here, walk over here to number 5. I did 6 of these, by the way, and actually this is the worst one of the bunch. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like it's, or 7. Yep, 7. So it's lost 7 LEDs over 8,000 hours. But like I said, it's not affecting the output of the light at all. And obviously it's not affecting whether the light functions or not. So not too upset about that. But by far, that's the one that's lost the most LEDs. And here's number 6. I can't remember on number 6. We'll go ahead and get it over here and look at it. And number 6 looks like it has 1 LED out. So yeah, 1 LED. So, and 1 a little bit dim, but just 1 LED out. So we have what, 2 that have none out, and the most we have out is 7. So, you know, personally, I think for 8,000 hours, I have to go back and look at what the mean time before failure, the MTB on these were, but I think we're scoring pretty good on that. And you know, I've been totally happy with them. I wouldn't be a bit shy to buy them again. In fact, I think I was looking out there, and I think they've actually even come down a little bit. Says like I saw a 6-pack like this for like 120, and I think I gave like 150. So they've actually even come down, which with inflation, I'm surprised. But yeah, this is a good investment, and you know, they're so easy to clip in and out. You know, I'm tempted to, I think they had like a 4-pack or 2-pack. I might just buy a couple extras just to have them around, just in case one does finally go out after me. I mean, we're talking 8,000 hours though, so I know I can hang them up and not have to worry about them for years, literally. So anyway, I just thought it would be kind of interesting for me to come back and, you know, give you a review of where we're at on these after 18 months. You know, it's one thing to review them after they're brand new. It's another thing to look at them after they've been burning for 8,000 hours and how they've held up. So hopefully, if you're out looking for lights, this will help you decide on your purchase. Personally, I say it's a great purchase. I will put a link down there, and if you're interested in them. But for shop lighting, I just don't think you can beat it. And you know, you're getting So much lighting for 72 watts a tube. Your energy savings will pay for them in no time comparative to incandescent or fluorescent. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. That really helps me out. Have a great day. This is Electron.